Students, once again we are back in the class of physiology. Yesterday we started the chapter of sports and chapter second. We are starting the revision of sports and nutrition. We were done what is the balance diet, what is nutrition. In balance diet, what are the different nutrients that are required by our body? There are two types of nutrients, macro and micro. Macronutrients nutrients required in large micro component required in less amount. Under macronutrients, there are two types of minerals and vitamins. We were dealing with minerals, vitamin A, vitamin. We were two types of vitamin. It is water and fat soluble. Soluble and vitamins. Under fat E and A, D, E, and E. Okay, fat soluble. Why they are called fat soluble vitamins? They are easily soluble. They are easily soluble in fat. Now, what the vitamin B complex and vitamin C are water soluble. These vitamins are ejected from the body during urination. Just daily intake of this vitamin C is recommended. How those vitamins are water? They are ejected from the body through urination. So that is why you have to take this as C and vitamin B. Okay, under this vitamin B complex in order to have created now comes nutritive and nutritive components and non-nutritive components of diet. Now the next topic is nutritive and non-nutritive. Nutritive and non-nutritive component of diet. Nutritive component of diet consists of macronutrients and micronutrients. That is proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Okay, what is nutritive components? They are two. What is a macro and micro? What are non-nutritive components of that diet? Now, non-nutritive components are compounds absorbed from the food, but which do not provide energy in the form of calories. What is non-nutritive? It is consumed in the form of food, but it does not provide energy to the body. Okay, in the form of calories. That is known as non-nutritive components of food or diet. Once again, what are non-nutritive? What is nutritive? Nutrients in the diet which provides energy in the form of calories. That is known as nutritive components of diet. What are the nutritive components of diet? Macro, protein, fats, and carbohydrates. Micro, vitamins, and so which is giving us energy in the form of calories, and which is consumed in the food. If we are getting energy to the body, and if we are getting energy in the form of calories, nutritive components of diet. Then comes non-nutritive. We are taking we are taking in the we are taking in the form of food, but that is not giving in the form of calories to the body. That is known as non-nutritive components of diet. So they can be either valuable or harmful. They can be either valuable or harmful to our body. Non-nutritive components are important to our body. First one, what are they? Non-nutritive. First one is fiber or fiber of fiber or dietary fiber or roughage is the digestible component of food found in fruits, vegetables, and grains. So it does not provide energy. So it does not provide energy. It does not provide calories. It is still a vital part of a healthy diet. Dietary fiber first make it appear fuller. Our body looks fuller because of this fiber or roughage. Yes. But now what we can say it is important also. What is the role of water? And it cannot provide energy, but it can be useful also as well as harmful. Fiber or fish is an indigestible component of food on fruits and vegetables. It plays an important role in digestion and prevents constipation and prevents constipation. So कब्ज कहते हैं अपन. Okay, so what happens? What is the role of fiber? It helps in proper digestion. The fiber or the fish helps in proper digestion and it protects our body from our digestive system from constipation. There are two forms of fiber: soluble fiber, which dissolves in fiber, which dissolves in water, and this is for cholesterol and blood sugar and insoluble. So, what are two types? Soluble and which dissolves in water is known as soluble, and which does not dissolve in water, that is known as insoluble. Which dissolves in water and which cholesterol level, blood sugar level, cholesterol and blood sugar level, that is known as soluble. Now, insoluble means does not dissolve in water and soften the food and thereby bringing chronic constipation. Insoluble fiber also is the insoluble fiber also lowers the risk of heart disease and certain forms of cancer. Insoluble fiber the chances of heart disease. After that comes water. Water is a predominant part of water is a predominant part. It makes up for the third. It makes up for the third of your body weight and 90% of it makes up for two-thirds of body weight and two-thirds 90% of weight. It is needed by cells and organs for the smooth functioning. Water is involved in digestion and transportation, dissolution of nutrients, elimination of waste. Just a small, if a short note comes, okay, well, this is, I want to say, non-nutritive components, fiber and non-fiber. Types, soluble and soluble, helps remove in digestion, it helps remove constipation. Secondly, but insoluble, it prevents us from heart disease. Now, water is also non-nutritive. So, what is the role of water? It is the predominant part of the body. 90% of blood is 90% of the blood is water, and two-thirds of the body weight is water. After it is needed by cells and organs for their it is needed by cells and organs for this. Water is involved in digestion, absorption. After that comes color compounds. We like our food to have certain appetizing colors. सब्जी कभी प्लेन नहीं होती ठीक सब्जी होती है तो डू यू थिंक ओके द सेम लाइक पत्ता गोभी है लाइक कैबेज नो दैट same color it is not qualified or it is not in the same colors. It adds some colors to it. So it gives a good look. We like our body to have, we like our food to have certain appetizing colors. Some foods are naturally attractive colors such as while other animals have dull, monochromatic shades. Hence, pigments are added to add different colors. For example, for plants, the major colors are orange, yellow, green, and flavor. Now comes flavor compounds. Okay. These everything we add flavor compounds and then comes plant compounds. Okay, now comes how to maintain body weight. Eating for weight control, a healthy weight, the pitfalls of dieting, food intolerance, food myths. What are food myths? What are about it? A healthy weight is considered to be now how you consider healthy weight in class 11 in last year we studied what was the suitable condition for ideal weight. Okay, well, by BMI. What was BMI? What is BMI? We used to tell the ideal weight of it. Body mass index. How can we body mass index? There was a topic of 90 to 24, and of 25, the BMI is coming from 90 to 25, we say that a person is healthy. A person is having ideal weight. How we are calculating the ideal weight? The weight, weight, height, weight upon height. That is known as BMI of an individual. So if it was if it was going from 19.9 to 25 years of weight, that person is having kind of weight, that person is fat. If it was coming less than that, we will say that person is under. After it was obese person, it was overweight, then obesity one or obese two, like that. So weight at I square that like this is we calculate BMI. So health weight is considered to be one of the in between 19 and 25 or BMI is 25 is between 25 and 29 and it is considered as overweight. If BMI is 30 or greater, the person is considered to be okay, from 25 to 29. 25 to 29. If the BMI of 25 to 29, what we see that person is overweight. But if it goes above 29, then we start calculating, then we start seeing okay, that person is obese. Now, how the category of obese one category, obese two category, obese three category. So, a healthy weight is the weight which suits our body height without compromising any health factor. What is healthy weight? Healthy weight is the weight which suits our body without compromising any factor, any health factor. A person with a healthy weight has the right BMI and is free from major problems. General major problems nowadays, such as heart disease, obesity, and all. So, if we say the person is idle and not, we say that person is healthier, the person is idle weight for that particular age wise. So, we have to calculate. So, what that we have done, what was underweight? If the underweight is less than 18. 18 normal weight is 18.3. And just a full chart for B. Just a full chart for B. Less than 18.5, that means the individual is underweight. 18.5 24 and almost 25. Then comes 25, right? Then 30, like I said. So 18, you can move, you can say from 18.8. This is under 18.5. 18.5 and 25. So underweight is 18.9. If you are under less than 18.9, you are underweight. So less than 18.9, you are 9. 9 to 24.9. Always become 90 to 25. You are having the that means idle weight. Your BMI is at least you are fit person. If it goes like okay, 25 to 29.9, if it goes over 20, that means you are 30, that means you are obese. Now, important, most important, how you can maintain a how you can maintain a not do generally we will say okay, we will less, we do exercise, yes, and that you are correct. But if you are continuing not doing exercise, the body will you will be having idle weight. You cannot do any workout. You can that workout can be in the form of exercise, in the form of yoga. Now, then you have to take control over the diet also. What is important nowadays for the lifestyle disease? What is important? diet also is playing a big role. Diet is also playing a big role. So, what is that? First one is goal setting. And how to have ideally how to maintain body ideal weight. Goal setting. I am putting out the weight in order to let's know if you need to gain or lose weight to calculate the BMI. If you are now according to it, you can find out whether you gain weight or you have to lose. You have to gain weight or you have to underweight. That means you have to eat more. According to that, you can gain weight and then you can be the normal weight category. If you have the BMI is in over category, that means you have to reduce. You have to reduce. So once this becomes clear, set a target for how many changes you want to see with the right diet and exercise. With the diet and exercise. So what playing big role? Right diet and exercise. It is recommended that you start with smaller targets and raise your level with each successive phase. The only you will say, okay, within 1 week I will lose 10 kg, that becomes impossible. That means impossible. It is possible. That is, you have to go for long. You have to go for long chase. That can be harmful. Slowly, today, for example, the only you can't say that I will within 1 week I will start running 10 kilometers. Today, if you are running, if you are not running at all, and within 1 week you are running 10 kilometers at least. That depends on the capability of an individual. Because once you start running, your might be will take rest. So set small and go for small targets. And once you achieve that small target, then you can reach your level. Then you can reach your level and go for high goal setting. So what is important in this? So goal setting is there. What is important in this? Right. So what is important in goal setting? How you can achieve your target? Whether you have to gain more, gain weight, you have to lose weight. How you can achieve that? Go for right diet is proper nutrition diet and balanced diet, and as well as exercise. You can't say that okay, I will keep on eating, I'll cut underweight, then you will gain weight. Plus more exercise also, burn your calories also. And right diet means you can say proper amount of proteins, proper amount of carbs, proper amount of fats. And similarly, proper amount of macro, proper amount of macro as well as micro. Now comes health. Now, not wealth is the key. Generally, we are saying health is wealth. Because if you're not having health, you will simply giving money to a doctor. To keep your fit. To keep your fit, what you are doing? You are giving money to doctors so that you are taking medicines. You are not spending money on buying fruits, but you are giving money to keep you healthy by buying medicines. So what is important? To exercise, eat balance. So it is tempting to lose weight to look good. It is the best to lose weight to look healthy. To be healthy, try to achieve maintain a BMI between 18.8. This or less than 25 from 19 to 24.5 25. If you are male, your waist should measure less than 40. If you are male, your waist should measure less than 40. If you are female, it should be less than 35 inches. For female, the waist should be less than 35 inches. For male, less than 40. The BMI or weight goes beyond this limit, you may fail. If this is going above this level, what are the chances you may face severe health risk? Okay, so what is important? Calculation of BMI of as well as rate of waste also. See it is not going above 40 for the male and above 35 for the female. Calculate it. See if it is going, that means you can have a severe health risk also. Now comes control calories count. Cut 100 calories a day if you have exceeded your ideal weight. Cut 100 calories a day if your weight has gone above, if you're exceeding your ideal weight. So cut your ideal weight. Now most important, that comes Right. Change lifestyle. Change lifestyle. Change lifestyle for the better. Nowadays, what is lifestyle becoming very right? Late night, what will happen? And the food will take a lot of time to digest. Might be the that is very bad for digestion system. Right. Generally, what is it? Generally, eat, eat at a particular before time, at particular time, so that it can be easily digested. Sleep also, you can have sleep also. So, my daily lifestyle exercise can help in maintaining body weight. Okay, try that for what how you can do. Try the stairs. Suppose you are living in flat on if you want to go to the second floor, third floor, try using stairs. So these are some of the precautions by which you can move on healthy way. Okay, dear students. Now we are some of the factors by which we can maintain. When we are done our goal setting, on control calories. If you are above the calories, above the ideal, cut 100 calories daily. Cut 100 calories daily. Change your lifestyle for the better and health is wealth. Health is wealth. Okay. So look into this matter. We are done with the four points. Now the remaining points will be next month. Till then, take care. Be safe.